Hello audience. So today we will discuss about Don vocabulary. So the first one is remiss. So its synonym is neglectful. Next one reprehensible. So something which are very bad. Next one reprieve. So its synonym is to delay something. Next one, resilience. So its synonym is strength, ability to withstand. Next one, retraction. So its synonym is taking back something or to remove something. So its synonym is removal. Next one, rhetoric. So its synonym is persuasive language. Next one, robust, something which is strong and sturdy. Next one, salvageable, so something which can be saved. Next one, scrutinize, just like exam. So its synonym is examine something carefully. Next one, secluded. So its synonym is lonely or isolated. Next one, sedate. Sedate mean calm. Next one, sedulous. So its synonym is eager. Next one, serene. So its synonym is peaceful. Next one, sermonize. So its synonym is give moral lecture. Next one, solace. So its synonym is comfort. Next one, solicitous. So expressing care and concern. Next one, squander. So something which is wasted. So its synonym is to waste something. Next one, stipulated. So its synonym is ingested. And next one, file. So to frustrate someone, to defeat someone. Next one, formidable. So formidable synonym is impressive. Next one, foster. So its synonym is to support someone, to boost someone, to encourage someone. Next one, fraudulent. So intending to cheat someone. Next one, furtive. So its synonym is secretive, just like spy agencies. Next one, gestures. So its synonyms are signal to predict. Next one, gluten. So gluten synonym is greedy, avarice. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Downtimes. So God bless you all and have a nice day.